Circumference of a circle. When finding the circumference of a circle, there are two ways to do it. Circumference equals 2 pi radius, or circumference equals pi diameter. I'll show you both ways. My first example will be circumference equals 2 pi radius. Start off with the rule, which is circumference equals 2 pi radius, and then break it down into circumference equals 2 pi times radius, which is 4.5, equals 2 times pi times 4.5. Calculate it, which equals 28.2743388. Don't round it until you're sure of the final answer. When rounded, it equals 28.27 because you only round up when it's 5 and up. And that's the answer. The other way you can find the circumference of a circle is circumference equals pi diameter. Like the previous example, you start with the rule, circumference equals pi diameter, and then break it down into circumference equals pi times diameter, which is 7 centimeters. So we start circumference equals pi diameter, which then equals pi times 7. After you calculate that together, you end up with 21.9911488. Once rounding that to the second decimal place, you end up with 21.99 centimeters, because you only round up when it's 5 or up. Finding the arc length and the perimeter of a sector. When working out the arc length and perimeter of a sector, you should first figure out the circumference of the whole circle. Circumference equals pi diameter. That equals pi times 10, because to find the diameter of a circle you have to times the radius by 2, and if the radius is 5 times 2 equals 10. When you times these two together, that equals 31.42 centimeters. Now to find the arc length, which I'll put as AL, you 70% over 360 times pi diameter. You do 70 over 360 because it's 70% out of the whole circle. This now equals 70% over 360 times pi times 10. When you times all that together, that equals 6.108652382. And then when you round that to 2 decimal places, you round the 8 up, which equals 6.11 centimeters. And that's how you find the arc length and perimeter of a sector. When finding the areas of a special quadrilateral, the rule you use is area equals half height times a plus b. The two parallel sides are 15 and 4 meters. These are the sides that you plus together. The perpendicular height is 8 meters, which gets halved. So you start with the rule, area equals half height times a plus b, which then turns into half height times 8, because that's perpendicular height, times 15 plus 4, which are the parallel sides. This then equals half height times 8 times 19, because that's what 15 and 4 are together. And then when you times this together, that equals 76 meters. And that's how you find the area of a special quadrilateral.